Affine is a productivity tool that combines document editing with an infinite canvas. It allows users to switch between structured writing and flexible visual planning. This tutorial explains its key features and limitations. What the tool does, Affine offers two main modes. In document mode, you write structured notes in a format similar to traditional note-taking apps. In canvas mode, you move elements around freely on an infinite workspace. This design supports both linear writing and brainstorming. Key features. One of the most important features is the local first design. Your data is stored directly on your device. This allows offline work without depending on cloud storage. It also gives you more control over privacy and ownership of your information. Affine includes AI tools that help you write faster, summarize long notes, and search within your workspace to find useful information quickly. Limitations. Some users report that Affine still has bugs and is not as advanced in database features compared to more mature tools. There are also ongoing discussions about export options and licensing limitations. Use case. Affine is especially useful for students, creators, and teams who prefer a simple but flexible workspace. It supports both writing and visual planning in one place. Conclusion. Affine combines document editing with an infinite canvas. It offers local first storage AI tools and flexible switching between structured writing and freeform brainstorming. It is still evolving and may not yet match the database capabilities of more established tools. Affine is best suited for users who want writing and visual planning in one place.